Yeah.
It's a drum.
Daddy.
Cool.
Yeah.
Take
Want me
that
to
off.
open the box?
Yeah, take it
Bring
off.
it to Mommy. I'll open the box for you.
That was a big one.
Come here. Let's show you what it is. Wow.
Huh?
Is that just what you wanted?
Grandpa gave it to me.
No, this is from Mama and Papa. This is from Mama and Papa.
The medicine.
No, there's only one for some reason. I'll
We'll
have to
get-
get you. I'll get you more at the store. Woo!
But that was loud.
We'll go to the
Go
music
softer.
store and get your real drums sticks.
Let me see you play, Chanatito. Let me take a picture.
Nothing to put on my neck.
No, it's too big. It doesn't hook on your neck. And you know what else? You can also use your hands.
That was another present.
Okay, pick another one.
Jamie, can you put that over there?
This is for the car.
Oh, that's from Desi.
Yeah.
That's from Desi.
It was in your car.
Yeah. Are you gonna open it?
Chanatito, look at me. I'm going to take a picture
Look
of
at
you.
Papa.
Look at me.
I'm looking
Say
at it.
cheese.
No, you're not looking at me. You're looking at the present.
I gotta open it.
Okay.
I don't know what movie it is. I don't remember. Oh. Need a little help or you got it?
I got it. I need what the hell.
Here. Go over there and open it so we can see you. Turn around and look at Mama and Papa.
There's more.
There's Curious George?
Yeah. It's a big one.
Cool. Hold it up and and say cheese. Let me see it. I want to see your face though. Let me see it, be a boy.
This is still wrapped in the present. I did it.
Now can I see it? Hold it up. Turn around. Ready?
I'm
Good
looking
job.
at another one.
Okay, pick another present.
Who gave it this to me?
Mama and Papa. Go over there and open it. Go over there and open it. So we can see.
Huh.
Get over there. Back up. Back up, back up. There you go. Is he far enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Want you to turn around so we can see you?
I know. I ever wanted it.
You wanted that?
Yeah.
Let me see what it is. Turn it around. Whoa! It's a diesel truck. Let me take your picture. Do you like it? Say cheese. Wow. That's a cool one.
I'm filming the sheep. Go back in the house. You're going to get your shoes wet. I wanted to film the sheep so that there's other things that are happening while you're opening your presents in your area.